Hello and hi friends, welcome back to KRISHNA'S Tutorials. I know you have completed PGLCET 2021 successfully and waiting for the counseling notification. So few LLM aspirants requested me to do a video on last year's seat allotment, especially about Usmania University and Kakatiya University and Telangana University. So in this particular video, I will be talking all about last year's seat allotment. Okay, how last year the seats was filled or students taken admission in OU, KU and TU. So there are different specializations in LLM as you already know. So in Usmania University we can see here. So there are 20 seats under criminology and criminal justice system, and it is a self-finance evening course. So you can see here these are the rankers in PGLCET who took admission in criminology and criminal justice system in Usmania University. So with a rank of 3, 7, 9, 20, 89, 98, 120, 126, 141, 177, 183, 211, 232, 259, 268, 230, 321, 395, 445, 506. Right. So especially you can observe the allotted category. So you may be worried about whether I will get seat in OU or not. Uh, so in that case, you can observe the allotted category. Okay, so moving on to the next specialization in Usmania University, that is nothing but corporate and securities law regular course. It is a day course. So last year students with a rank of 2, 12, 23, 26, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50, 60, 69, 223, 233, 268, 350 took admission in that particular specialization in Usmania University. So there are 15 seats under corporate and securities laws, friends. Moving on to constitutional law regular day course. So last year these are the students who took admission. So there are a total of 15 seats under this specialization. So I will be trying to post the same information in our Telegram channel. So please join in our Telegram channel to get this all information for free. Okay, I will post within one day. So the next specialization is international trade and economic laws. It is a self-finance course and it is a evening course. So last year these are the students and who took admission in this particular specialization. So you can look over here. So there are 20 seats. So moving on to the next specialization. Okay, so that's all friends. So these are the specializations which we can see in Usmania University for LLM. Okay, so and the final one is University College of Law Labor and Empowerment Laws regular course daytime. So these are the rankers who took admission in that particular specialization. So you can look over here. So there are 15 seats under this specialization. So next I will be talking about Kakatiya University LLM courses. Friends, now let us look at University College of Law Kakatiya University Subedari. You know, corporate law, it is a regular course. So now let us look. So as you already observed, there are 7 specializations in Usmania University for LLM course, and in Kakatiya University. Now let us look how many specializations are there and how in 2020 seat allotment was done. So there are a total of 10 seats under LLM corporate law. So these are the rankers who took admission last year. Okay, moving on to next specialization. Okay, next specialization is criminal law. It is a regular course. So there are a total of 10 seats. So these are the rankers who took admission and this is the allotted category. Moving on to the next specialization. So that is nothing but human rights law self-finance course and it is a evening course, friends. Okay, it is a evening course. So these are the rankers who took admission and there are a total of 30 seats under this human rights law self-finance course. Okay, next University College of Law Kakatiya University, right, labor law regular course. Okay, labor law, it is a regular course, and these are the rankers who took admission, and there are a total of 10 seats under labor law. So you can see there are a total of 4 specializations in Kakatiya University. So now let us talk about Telangana University, which is located at Nizamabad. So friends, there is only one specialization for LLM in Telangana University, Dishpalli, Nizamabad. So these are the rankers who took admission in 2020. So there are a total of 15 seats under this corporate law regular specialization. So all the details that you are listening now are based on the last year data, friends. So now in the year 2021 there may be a chance of small changes happening, so we need to wait for the counseling notification. When the counseling notification is out, you can of course open the official website and look what are the colleges, okay, what are the LLM colleges, and what are the LLM universities, and what are the specializations available, and how many seats are available under respective specializations. So okay, as of now I can provide you all these details. So I will be also sharing the same details in the Telegram group. So if you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. You can also reach me in Instagram or Facebook. That's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Keep smiling.